Hi guys, it's Mrs. DePietro. Today's Monday, March 30th, and I want to take you through our lessons for today. So as you can see here, you are going to watch a phonics video. I made a phonics video for you guys, so hopefully it's sort of similar to what we are used to doing in the classroom. So you'll watch that. You will need something to write with and something to write on, and then do an episode of Headsprout. After that, you're going to be watching the video of Mr. Putter and Tabby Stir the Soup. It's a book. You're going to listen to the book. And after that, then you are going to draw your best Mr. Putter in your notebook and write some words around it, describing him like old, young, kind, and lazy. I'll show you what that looks like. So we're going to be starting meeting characters as we read. And so I want you to focus today on learning about the main character. In this case, it'll be Mr. Putter. So thinking about what he says, what he does, who is he, what is he like, what is he not like. Here's my best Mr. Putter. And I want you to draw your best Mr. Putter. And then you're going to write some words that describe him. It could be what he looks like on the outside. You might write old or young. It's kind of hard to use this pen. And then you can talk about what he is like on the inside. Maybe he's nice, maybe he's mean. And just write a few words that describe him as a character on the outside. All right, those are your assignments for today. I've sort of combined reading and writing to make it a little bit shorter, a little more compact. Don't forget to read for 15 to 20 minutes today. Headsprout is up here. So read on Raz-Kids or Epic or books that you have at home. Any kind of reading is fine. And I hope you guys have a wonderful day of learning. Bye-bye.